Respect isn't optional. If you can't give it, don't expect to get it back. You can't be disrespectful and still expect people to love you. You can't treat people like nothing and then wonder why they are not sticking around. Respect isn't optional, it's the foundation of every healthy relationship, whether that's love, friendship, or family. If you are out here talking down to people, disrespecting their boundaries, or taking them for granted, don't be shocked when they walk away. Respect isn't free. You have to give it, not just expect it. If you want loyalty, if you want genuine love, it starts with respect. You can't burn bridges and think people will come running when you call. So before you demand affection, ask yourself, am I showing the respect they deserve? Because once you have lost that, you have lost everything.